welcome back to One Hot Bite. Melissa here, where healthy doesn't have to be boring. We're being healthy and we're not being boring because we are gonna make an oatmeal cookie bake. So this is where you can have dessert for breakfast if you want and not feel guilty. This is coming in at just about 300 calories. It's like 303 calories. Super high in protein, super high in fiber. This is delicious, but it tastes like a cookie and it satisfies that sweet tooth without all the sugar. So I want to thank you so much for being here. And before we get any further, I want to show you something new and exciting. I have a new cutting board that I got, and these are all handmade from a very good friend of mine. And this is an end cut board. I mean, this is amazing. I'm so excited. So you're going to see a ton of this. I will leave a link down below where you can see all the other different kinds of boards that he has, and you can check those out, and they are for sale, but these are absolutely amazing. I'm going to show you the beveled edge that's on this. I mean, this is quite a piece of artwork. So anyhow, we're going to cook on it to make this cookie bake. And it stirs up really super fast. So anyhow, why don't you go ahead, have a seat, join me today, smell that delicious fresh cookie that you're gonna imagine coming off of this, and smash that like button. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe down below, ring that little bell so you can get notifications. Let's get cooking. This one is so yummy. I am super excited about. Okay, so we are gonna start with some oats. Just to have a cup of oats, we're gonna take half a banana. Now, a tip on bananas, the more speckles and brown spots it has, the higher its sugar content. So we want this to be a little bit of sweet. So I have a banana with some spots. If you want it less sweet, obviously a banana that's more on the green side. We are going to also add 1 egg to this, a little bit of baking soda, and you can add the milk of your choice. I used oat milk. You can use skim milk, full fat milk, soy milk, almond milk, anything you want in this. So as soon as we have all of our ingredients in there, you're going to blend it. You can use a regular blender, or I'm just going to use my emulsion blender here. Just blend it up till it's nice and smooth, super easy. And you're going to take a ramekin of any kind, doesn't matter, or if you have another kind of baking dish, I'm going to lightly coat it with cooking spray. I'm going to pour that in, and it's going to go right to the rim. Okay, here's where the sweet part comes in. I'm going to add some chocolate chips on top. Obviously, the more chocolate chips, the more sweet, the more calories, but that is solely up to you. We have an oven preheated, 350 degrees, and bake this for about 25 minutes until it's crisp on the edges and comes out delicious and tasty like this. Here is your wonderful oatmeal cookie bake. I don't know about you, but 300 calories is spot on for me. I don't know about you, but this is definitely one hot bite. So the purpose of this is it has super high in fiber. There are 6 grams of fiber. It has 9 grams of protein, 303 calories, like I said once before, and you're getting all natural ingredients in this. You can use any milk that you want, like I said before, but this is, you can have it as a breakfast, you can have it as a snack, you can have it no matter what way you want it, but it's really nutrient rich, awesome whole grain carbs to it. So this, I'm going to give you one more look. Look at it, still steaming. I'm going to hopefully not burn myself. I'm going to take a small bite. It's not too sweet. The banana's there, the chocolate chips are there, but this is such a great, delicious treat, or feels like a treat, but yet you're being super nutritious and healthy. So I love you guys. Thank you again so much for being here. Thank you, Ben, for my incredible cutting board. I absolutely love it. It looked really pretty on video today, and I hope you all agree. Go check out his stuff. I'm going to leave his Instagram down below. That's where he has everything right now. Charcuterie boards, cutting boards, everything you can imagine. So go check him out. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.